So I was looking on Google Maps today and noticed that there might be an abandoned elementary school very close to where I'm at right now. Turned out it was actually on the way to where Seth and I have been going, to that coal processing facility. I decided to come over here and scout it out a little bit just to see if there was anything actually here or not. It might actually be owned. I think there's a house like right behind it, so it's probable that whoever owns that house owns the building, if there's even still a building here. I mean, Google Maps satellite view isn't always the most trustworthy, but we're gonna go take a look anyway. There's the actual building, and it looks like it was gutted and turned into a business or something. But yeah, that's the old elementary school. Okay, I still really want to go in there. The front and back walls are gone. So most of it has been taken apart. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're getting in there. That's definitely owned. There's still electrical power and everything. Dogs chained up and stuff. But that is freaking cool. Yeah, it's like in use. Old elementary school though. Now it's just like a scrapyard. It's been gutted and everything. I'm guessing that the entrance was somewhere around here, because this road used to loop around, you know, so the buses could have a way in and a way out. There's a cemetery on the side of a hill. That's a steep grade for a cemetery. Yeah, that's all there is. Oh well. It would have been a cool find. I mean, it's still pretty cool, but you can't go in it, so it's kind of pointless. Because it's definitely owned. Probably by the people living right there at it. If the house that lived behind it didn't have this huge gate up over their driveway and like multiple no trespassing signs, like the gate is locked. I mean, I could still get up to the house to knock on it to ask them, but the fact that they have the gate like that over the driveway and stuff, it just means they don't want to be bothered, especially by somebody walking up onto their property. I wouldn't if I were them, so it just makes sense. Doesn't feel right to go up and bother them. I wish I could have caught them outside, then I could have asked. Oh well. It was still worth a look. Alright, last time at this place, gonna finish it up. Seth's not with me. He had some other stuff he had to do, I guess, today. So I decided to just go ahead, trying to find a way. The water's a little higher than normal. I might have to walk around, use the bridge. So I really don't feel like getting my feet totally soaked. Yeah, it looks like I might have to use the bridge today. It's been raining, so the water's over all the stones you would normally use to cross. I really don't want to use the bridge because I don't have to go by those houses. I might not have a choice in the matter. I want to stay dry-ish. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to use the bridge. That sucks. I don't want to use the bridge. Oh well. What are you gonna do, you know? Just don't feel like getting soaked. Then having like wet, cold feet, because it is pretty chilly out here today. My hands are already cold. Hands are always the first thing to get cold. I The dog has the quietest bark ever, which is good. Okay, so the plan is to go in that back way again. Not gonna take the tracks like to the tunnel or anything. Go back behind by the silo and see if we can take that road up to the rest of it. So I'm pretty sure it's where that road goes. It is freaking cold out here. Cold. Yesterday while I was scouting out some places, I may have found another one that I can get into. It looked wide open. It is, however, right on the side of the highway. And it's not exactly a small building. You might see if Seth can go check that out with me next time, because I really want to get into it. It looks really cool. The getting in part might be a little bit tricky, seeing as how it's right on the side of the highway and this house is right across from it, but the doorway was wide open. All right, we're approaching the entrance spot. The back way in, haven't heard anything yet or seen anything. Yeah, I don't hear anything. It's a lot wetter than normal. It's all this rain we've been having. Little ponds overflowing. Might have a bit of a climb. In fact, I kind of know we are. We are through the tunnel. Old rails here. You know, I haven't been in there yet. It's got even more water in it than last time because of all the rain. Ooh, a little bit of separation here. Yeah, buddy, it's bending. It's this old machinery house. So the coal would dump down below, and I guess onto another conveyor belt that took it into that building. Big power thing or something. Yeah, a lot of machinery here. Yeah, that's all it was, just a little transfer, like dump transfer, whatever. This one's rusted, but I don't think it's too bad. Not really. I'm gonna go up that hill again, and then by the silo. Not noticed that before, but that pipe right there is jammed with coal. Looks like it might have been drainage or something to do with moving it, maybe. It's definitely not rated for people. Another one over there. That was probably the air vent, the back vent, the air vent for that tunnel that went down without the walkway. It's flooded. That's what that probably is. Not gonna mess with that building, I've already seen it. At least the side that we could get into anyway. So we'll just see where this road goes. It's the big fan down there. Kinda wanna go down there. In fact, I might. Yeah, there's no might to it. I'm going down. One way or another. I hear sounds coming from it. You hear that? That's creepy. That is so strange. It's like, I guess rushing water? I don't know. It's echoing up all the way through this air shaft. That is freaking awesome. I hope you could hear it. Nope, that door is super padlocked. Wait a minute. Or is it? Hold on, I may be able to get in this. Let's see if this door is sound. Oh my God, y'all. Okay, this is really bendy. That over there, if you can see it, that's the way down. I'm not walking over there without somebody else here, because this floor is bendy and I don't know what's underneath of it. I don't know if we're still on the ground or what. Yeah, that seems like a bad idea, walking over there on my own. But that's the freaking hole all the way down. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm calling that. I'm not doing that. It's not smart. There's a difference between adventurous and stupid, and that seems, I mean, it's probably fine, okay? But I'm out here alone in case it's not fine. That is a lot of weird sounds coming out of there. There's a lot going on down there. It's just echoing all the way out. That is so cool. I gotta convincingly close all these. Man, I do want to go look down that hole, but yeah, that's not smart. That platform is old and rusted, and as we've seen, old and rusted things don't don't always hold up like you hope they will. The sounds are so creepy. Got limited time, so I'm gonna keep going up this road. Should be taking a left up here. All those noises though, like, I don't know what that was. Like, that is a very big mine. Very big. Looks like we got a turn coming up to the left. Just wish we should be going to the left to hook back around and get up there. Okay, so that road apparently just, it hooks left as well, like way up there, and just goes off into the mountains. But this one should hook left and keep going up that mountain there to the coal pond. Looks like there's something over here. Stuff. May just be junk. A lot of piled up conveyor belts. Computer monitor that somebody shot at, I guess. Oh, there's a building right there. Sounds like a waterfall over there too. Alright, we'll go check out that little building. I don't know what that is. Gotta cross the creek to get there. I think that's up here on the road. Big freaking pipe. I don't know what that is. Could be natural gas. Slippery. It looks man-made almost up there, next to the water. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I don't know what this was. It had a lot of pipes going into it though. Yeah, I have no idea. A lot of pipe stuff. Had a pretty official looking door too. It's heavy. Okay, I think I know what that is. It's an old bridge. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I really don't know. Could have been a dam, like where they could dam the water up. They moved that thing. Maybe. I really don't know what the purpose of that would be, but this had a purpose. If you don't build something like that for nothing, yeah, I don't know. It looks like that moved. Okay, so whatever you do with that. There's nothing on the other side to even indicate what it was, just concrete. I don't know. Thinking it was some kind of gate for the water for some reason. Maybe it had to do with that building right there. Might be a better way to go up on the other side of it. Ow. Slick. Very slick. Yeah, we're back at the trash dump. This place is really interesting. There's a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so now we're on the road and now we're climbing. It's a gradual climb so far. I don't think you have to go that far up to that coal pond. Alright, looks like the structures are up here. There's still power lines running, mostly. Well, that's totally impassable. Maybe not. That walkway there has trees growing up through it, so it's too narrow to get by them. There's too many there at the beginning of it. This one may be passable. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's good. Seems good. Wow, man. Just flexing a little, that's all. It's just flexing a little. Just gotta stay near the, on the beams. Some kind of coal thing, I guess. That looks bent. What is back here? More machinery and a door. That's about it. Yeah, boy. This thing just goes all over the place. Coal dust. That's bendy. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that too much. Pretty cool though. Yeah, it's pretty bendy. If I get out there, I might get seen. I think I hear a car. Yeah, I better get back. This is really wild. It's become very clear that there was like an old operation and then a new operation. So this thing has been functioning for a very long time. Oh man, that one goes all the way down to the building. I could probably take it down, but then I'd have to go into the building and all this stuff. I don't want to go down yet anyway. Yeah, you could easily go down that though. That one actually looks pretty good. Oh, it just goes underneath that thing. Yeah, no reason to go, because we're gonna check it out up top anyway. Oh, that used to have a door too. The door's laying right there. So they back the trucks up to here and dump coal down that. Wow. Yeah. Just a big funnel. And it went down to the conveyor system. Pretty efficient, simple. Couldn't tell that's what that building was from the bottom. Just a big dumping funnel, basically. This thing is a lot higher than what I thought originally. And I hope I don't get seen too. Alright, we climbing it. It's risky, but we're doing it. Wow. I may be able to take that road and make it work for going down. In fact, I think that's exactly what you can do. Maybe. That's what it kind of looks like. Need to hurry up and get through this part. Kind of out in the open here. Oh shit. There's a car down there. Hope they didn't see me. thinking they probably did not. I'm just ducking behind the little bank. Man, watch out for that freaking road. I think we're at the top, and I think that's the coal pond. This is slushy. Somebody's been up here recently too. It's a rain gauge. That's a good spot for a rain gauge. Actually, the thing doesn't look that deep. I think I can see the bottom. I'm gonna go get a view of the other side real quick. Just over the side. Train tracks, the road, everything. Just taking a quick walk down this little side road just to satisfy any curiosity I might have. We got coal shale, pretty cool. What is this? Yeah, some kind of drain pipe. I don't know, there's a bunch of hoses laying around. If there's a hose there, it goes down there. Looks like. So, that goes underground, obviously. Don't know where. That's interesting. Well, there you have it. That's about it. Now I gotta get back. It's not far. But I think if Seth goes with me on the building that's nearby, I might come back here, take another look at that vent shaft. Maybe. Yeah, all the way down the coal slide. Alright. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That might be the last look unless Seth and I come back. But there you go. Finally got her done. Wish Seth could have been here, but it's alright. He did the best spots with me. Except for that air vent, man. That air vent's freaking awesome. Get on those train tracks. Get out of here. Hungry. Yeah, boy.